The 14 to 19 Silverados are tough trucks. They're used in a variety of applications, but what about looking good doing it and having that extra punch of light that you need when backing down a trail or backing up in a dimly lit area? Well, today we're introducing our new XB LED taillights to help you do just that. Our new XB LED taillights are a category killer for the 14 to 18 Silverado 1500 and the 15 to 19 Silverado HD, making all other options no longer relevant. And they are unbeatably bright, from the brake light, turn signal, and reverse, thanks to modern TIR and reflector-based LED optics. But don't just stop there. The optional backup light boost bar is a fully plug-and-play option that boosts your output in reverse by over 300%. There is no compromise. Our products are produced with the best materials, backed with a 5-year warranty, designed to comply with all standards. The taillights are offered in either a smoked or red housing. And to wrap it up, our products are completely designed, engineered, tested, and distributed here in the United States. Now that you and I both know that these products are a game changer, I'm gonna show you how to install them, that way your Silverado stands out from the rest. Let's get into it.
Step one is to crawl into the truck and locate these two connectors. You're gonna be disconnecting them because they run to each tail light. Now, these things, they can get packed full of dirt and they can be hard to disconnect. Now, the harnesses are held on by plastic clips, but they are all broken on this truck. If you have plastic clips, you simply just pry them apart and pull the harness out. To take the connector apart, you're gonna locate this red tab and you're gonna pull it back and then push it down, then pull the connectors apart.
Now that we have the harness disconnected, we can go and drop the tailgate and get the tail light out. Take your T15 Torx bit and take out the 2 screws. Now just grab the tail light and pull it towards you. Once the tail light's out, go ahead and grab the harness and pull it out. And now just do the same thing to the other side. And with the new tail light, go ahead and grab the wiring and put it back through the opening. You can let it fall for right now because we're gonna wrap the wiring after both tail lights are installed. Once the wiring is tucked out of the way, line up the tail light and snap it back into place. So with the new XB taillights, they come with different screws. Your original taillights were held on by a T15 Torx bit. Ours are held on by a T20 Torx bits. So make sure you find those included in the kit and use those to install your new XB LED taillight. Now just insert your 2 screws. When inserting your screws, make sure not to over tighten them. Now we have one taillight installed and it already looks amazing. It's coming together, but before we do the other one, let's run our backup light boost bar. Remember, with these taillights, the backup light boost bar is fully plug and play. All you have to do is mount it, run the wiring, and plug it up to your taillight. Let's get into it. Step 1, go ahead and take off your tag. The next step is to run the wiring for the backup light boost bar. It's simple. All you're gonna do is line up the holes in the backup light boost bar to your tag holes, and wherever the wiring is, right behind it, you're gonna drill a hole. And that's where you're gonna feed your wiring through to run up to the taillight. Now feed the wiring through the hole you just drilled. Now with all the wiring ran, grab your tag and reinstall it. Now with the backup light boost bar wiring, route it along the rear bumper up to the passenger side taillight opening. Now with the passenger side taillight, you're gonna locate this connector. It has a dust cover, just go ahead and simply pull that off, set it aside, and grab your backup light boost bar connector. Plug in the 2, and that's all. Now feed all the wiring through, and just reinsert that XB taillight on the passenger side. Now, we have both taillights installed and the backup light boost bar. This rear end is already coming to life. The next step is we have to get back under the truck, plug everything in. Let's get into it. Now it's time to plug it in. They only plug in one way, so you can't mix them up. Check it out, the installation is complete. These taillights look better, perform better, they won't break the bank, and they're super easy to install. It's a no-brainer. Now don't forget, we also make third brake lights, headlights, fog lights, and so much more for these trucks. Head over to morimotohid.com, do some shopping, and we'll see you on the next one.